know the rescue is a girl. Skipper, she's heavily guarded. Not
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are playing Roblox Super Doom Style, and I will be playing with my friend Leon, but you guys mostly would like to call him Wave Shocker. So let's get into it.
I used to think now time to get the secret is a hard Sissy, pussy, bad. Now I realize that buying flowers just be
Gonna blow this boy up. And then get Franklin. Franklin. No, guys, you saw that? Woo! Yeah. Okay, second. It turned up. So, boom! Release the tactical nukes. Release them. Oh man. Oh no. Oh no, somebody got a frying pan. Oh no, not only the worst weapon to die with. No! Lady! You need to chill! Chill! I kill shit. Oh. Bro, I shoot an RPG right at her. Oh my god, we base falling. Jump down! Kill them who blowing up with base. Go, she dead. No, them base. Go to the base. Look at them base. Look at them base. Oh, one more rocket could do it. Actually, 0 rockets. Good. Nice.
Don't you make that deal, Melvin Makowitz.
No, we get 15 spawns. We base still hanging. Yes, we win.
This
Wait, what have you done?
the sweetest thing anyone's ever
You was on the red team? Wow, look at that, guys. A coincidence. Leon or guys, Leon or Wave Shocker. He thought he was on my team. Oh, Leon, look at me. Right here. Eat Dicky Bomb. RPG. Come here. You died today. I know. I won't buy a new one. I saved 2 teams. I gotta take a drink. Oh god. It is. I see you, Leon. I see you. What? You kidding me? Why just see? I'm on green team, and I just got missile to the face. I didn't betray you. Green move better than yellow, right? Nobody likes me. I taught myself that, cause I don't like. Wait, you died? You died? Of course you die. You're the only person who suck. Actually, you're a pro. I don't even know why I'm saying you're a pro. You're a pro. Okay, so I'm back. Alright. So it doesn't really matter all that much when you kill somebody, but no, I am so that was so hilarious. Viewers video. Oh, you got killed. When they may get nothing. Yeah, yes, get kind. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Our base holding now. Come on, base hold on. Stop using. Oh my god. Wow. You are so loud. You are so loud. You are so loud. Wait, what the? Oh! Only on the top part of your base fall down. Leon, I shall kill you. Where are you? Why do? I didn't do nothing. All I just doing is breaking up your base. That's nothing evil. Oh no! I get to toss around. I get to toss around like slime. Ah! This is not home. You ain't even got not even one bed inside this place. This is not no home. This is not. Yes. I got. This is a like dead. This is a like 5-star hotel again. This place needs to fall. 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 Yes. Fall, baby, fall. Fall, my son, fall. Boom. Oh, this place is going to fall. Yes. Yes. Look, one of we base floating. Bro, look at that. One of we base floating. Yes, good luck. Oh no. I knock off one of y'all thing. Yes. Oh, hello. Hello there. And good night. Oh, you're lucky you move. Eat sticky bomb. Oh no. 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 Run away. One of y'all bed gone. I knock off one of y'all bed. Y'all going dead now. Good for y'all. I'm sorry, Leon, but it needs to happen. It needs to happen. Oh shoot, I see one of y'all bed. Wait, what? I can't believe I managed to pull it off. Perfect. Boom! Wait. What just happened there? Oh gosh. Oh no! No! My mouse! My mouse! Blow up! Blow up! Blow up, you bloody... What? Oh, hello. No! Leave me alone, please. Brother does not want to play. Brother does not want to play. Brother wants to sleep. Yes, yes, fall, 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 fall. One of y'all teammate gone. And one of y'all... No! I almost knock off one of y'all bed. I almost knock it off. Yes, it knock off! Yes! Y'all gonna dead now. I still alive. I ain't invisible. I ain't invisible. Oh, Leon, please. See this? Yes. Yes, I tell you the truth. That's not a lie. Leon, you're dead, buddy. I'm so sorry. Leon, I'm so sorry about this. What the? What the? I can't tell you. Too late. Yeah, I did. It's time. Too late. It's too late. It's too late. It's too late. Too late. Too late. No! I fall on the thing. Oh my gosh, I am so dumb. Oh! Look at that! I'm alive. I then on top is safe and sound. And the rest of y'all go, dude. What the flip? Retry for them. Retry for them. I think we win. We win? No, one more person left. Go after the person. Go after the person. Go after the person. Go after the person. Kill Chef. Kitty cat dead. Kitty cat dead. I get 207 blocks, bro. That's insane. I gotta get more drink. Oh gosh, this is insane. Oh god. Oh shit, that's so low. Oh, look at this. Who are you? Who this? Who this? Yes, Leon, look at me. Victory. Victory. That's what I call a victory royale. Wow! Spider-Man! Spider-Man! Oh yeah, for real. I gotta open me to one of me free chests again. Zombie infection. 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 Yeah, me too, to be honest. I want to be. Oh. Me too. Brother, I see you. Ah, this big tower. Bloody crumb. Oh, I fallen right through. Bro! Bro! I actually fall. You can't get in, stupid people. Ha! Me teammates. Oh, they can't get in. Cause this thing is like a force. It's like a force field thing. Oh, y'all see that? What the? They can break it down, but not no. Let me charge them. Charge, brother, charge. Eat ball. Woo! Charge them. Oh no, one of them tried to run away. Kill Shamin. Come here. Oh, you kill somebody. I kill a person, so I just kill a person. Yes. Wreck their faces. Eat their heart for cherish. Eat their heart for cherish, brother. Eat their heart. Oh. Summer. Oh god. Oh my goodness. No. Look, I got sticky bomb. Dicky bomb. Yeah, just show one down. What do you mean? What the? Oh, my bomb just flick. What the? Ah! Girl, you are gonna die, fool. We just wrecking them. Oh, look, fries. I want fries. Fries. Give me fries. I want fries for breakfast. Give me fries for breakfast. I want breakfast. Give me fries. I want fries. Breakfast. Give me some breakfast. I'm gonna eat you. Okay. Oh. I need some breakfast. 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 Come here. How the bloody Spider-Man? Calm down. Oh my god, this person is like Flash. Oh no, that would have been a fantastic hit to fight again. Come on, lead the shot. I gotta lead it. Do it. What the? Come on! What the? Bro, this person's Spider-Man. Oh, snap. You are infected? That's lovely. Look at him, hey. Hello. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. Corona. Wait, how you kill me? Okay. More, I want kills too. Yes. Wait, what is this? Kill all your sons of eating. I want to eat you for stew. For stew. I want to eat you for stew. Come here. Spam it. I'm going to eat the same dude.